In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the broker downloaded. Broker is the one connected to the market. So you have a chart where you see charts on TradingView, and then when you see a setup, you have to take the trade through the broker. You can also connect the broker to your TradingView so you don't have two different platforms. So today I'm going to show you how to download the broker and how to set up a demo account so you can just try out buying and selling with demo money, with paper money. All right, so the broker I'm using right here is VT Markets. This is an affiliate link. I'm going to be honest and transparent with you. The profit we get from this affiliate link doesn't cost you anything, and it just helps the community grow even more. So the profits I'm getting from the affiliate link, I'm going to reinvest it inside the community to win prizes, to help you out, to buy funded challenges for you, so we can all grow together. All right, now I got that out of the way. If you press the link I put in the description, you will jump to this site right here. You just create a login, you log in, and we need to do two things basically. We need to open up a demo account. If you go to demo accounts right here on the right side, and you press on MT5 and you press on open demo account. So you want to open up a demo account on MT5 because it's more modern and it's easier to read what's happening in the market over there. You want to press on Standard STP account. You can have what currency you want. I usually go with USD, and you can have a 1 to 100 leverage. It doesn't matter. You can just pick which one you want. And then let's say we want a 100K demo account to trade with, to try out with, right? You submit it, demo account configured. They're sent you an email for the logins. So you don't need to check the email right now. The thing you want to do is be on the website, keep it right here, and then we press on downloads because we need the broker downloaded to our computer. We press on MT5, this is the one we need. We download MT5 and we get it for our Windows. So I'm going to download it and show you the exact step live, step by step. Do you want to download MT5? I press yes. You probably didn't see it, but here it is. I'm going to download MT5. Take some time, but it's fine. Just follow along, follow these steps, so you don't need to think about how to set up and how to do these things. All right, we just close this down, and we see that we have MT5 downloaded right now, or it just pops up. It just pops up. This is the first window that we are getting. We press next, because this is VT market, and we open up we have an existing demo account. So we insert the login and the password that we got in our email. So what do? We jump to our email that is connected to the VT market, and this is what it gives me. Let me just screenshot this so I can show you what it's. This is the login that you need to copy and paste, and this is the password that you need to copy and paste, and you set the server to VT Market Demo. I just want you to notice this is a demo account. This is not real money. All right, so you take this information. So I take the MT5 login. I insert it right here. I need to press this. I insert it right here, and then I open up the email again, and I copy the password, and I insert the password right here, and I'll be sure if I'm using the same server, VT Markets Demo. I'm using the correct server. You can see there's a lot of service right here. I press OK.
Incoming mail.
And this is what happens. You can hear the sound maybe. And this is how it looks like. This is how the broker looks like. And this is how you can take the trade. And if you press on trade right here, this is the amount. So you have 100K USD inside of your trading amount. So this is the markets, GBP USD, you have USD JPY, and this is how you can do it. All right, this is what it looks like. And this is now, you can take a trade using this. So if you just open these up, you can press on these buttons right here. See, this is so confusing. I'll go trade. You can see the trades volume right here. You can see, you know what, that's it. On the next video, I'm going to share with you how to set up the position size calculator. And here you can just play around with it. Zoom in, zoom out, see, get to know it, get to know the software. I'm going to show you how to download a position size calculator connected to VT Market so you can take trades easier. You will see lines where you enter and exit trades that looks almost identical to this. All right. So when you see this in the chart as TradingView, you jump over to the broker and you take the trade from there. All right. So get familiar with the platform, take a trade, buy and sell if you can manage it. And you can see the amount right here going up and down. You can see how much you're making, how much you're losing. That is fine. Nothing's gonna happen. It's just a way for you to what is this? Depth of market. Let me just figure this out for you here. It doesn't matter. We're not going to use it. So play around with it. Watch the chart. Get familiar with the platform and play around with the symbol. So as always, if you like this video, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and if you haven't done it already, join the school community. And in my YouTube channel, I share perspectives and insights about different things, but related to trading. So follow me there. Everything I shared to you today, the link is in bio. The link is in the description. Sorry about that. See you on the next video.